Hello everyone. So in this video we will discuss about more Linux based commands, and first we will discuss about ls-a. What this command will do is this command will list all the items that are present in the folder that are present in the folder but with hidden files. Okay, so what this command will do is ls-lstr. It will print all the list items with date, time, permissions, etc. And with all the information. Okay, so what this command will do is chmod. Chmod is used for to giving the permissions or taking the permissions. So you can see, like, if you have heard about it, chmod. Oh, 1 second, let me write it again. Chmod. If you want to give the permissions to the files, then files or the folder, then you can use 700. If you want to take out the permissions, you can use 600 or 400. So things like that, commands like that. So if you now we will discuss about tmux. So if you have the API that should run always, no matter where you will close that VS Code or you will close that VM terminal, but it should run always till the VM stops. So uh, you can run that in the tmux. What it will does is it will run that file uh, in the subterminal. You can think of it. So in the subterminal, like, you will go you when you will hit the tmux, and it will open a new terminal, and in the new terminal you will run your file, and in this file, when you dispatch that system, so detach that system and team detach that terminal, then it will automatically running behind that scene. You can think of it. I will discuss that uh, in the practical video, which will be the next video in this playlist. So same for the nohup as well. Nohup is a like tmux. You can open the terminal and see the logs, but in the nohup, the file will run always behind the scene, and the log file will come into the folder. And if you want to see the logs, or you want to see the error, what error came, or whatever the things is that comes into the terminal, that you can see in the nohup log file. It or sometimes, uh, if you want to stop that file, so you have to take that PID and kill that PID or kill that port. You can do anything, kill PID or kill the port. You can do any of one. So um, these are the two things. And now we will discuss about tail and head. So think like you have a very big log file. Okay, and in this log file you have to see some of the initial lines only. Like, think like you have the log file which is in the GBs, and you have to see only first 1,000 log lines. Then you can do a head. You can open that file with the head in the terminal. If you want to see only last 1,000 line or last 100 line or last 200 lines, then you can use tail. Head is for initial. Wait a second, it's too closed. For initial lines, and tail is for last lines. You can, if you want to see the real time logs that are coming into the file, then you can use tail. With tail you can use this follow, hyphen hyphen follow. Then it will open always, and the real time logs will also come, and you will see into the terminal. Now what this grep do is, the thing like this log file is in log file size. Okay, I'm doing right today. Size is 3 GB, let's say. Now you have to see the response of only one uh, request. Okay, and you have the request ID as well. So what you will do is, you will open that file through cat or something like that. You can open that file, and you can, after that opening command, you can just use this or sign on the keyboard, that straight line, um, and you can use this grep, and you can put that your request ID here, or whatever you have to search it. You can put like this here, and what it will do is, it will grep only this, whatever line have the this request ID, whatever log file have this request ID, only that logs will come out and print in the terminal. So this is a very uh, good command, grep. You will use almost everywhere this command. So now, apart from this, have you will work on df-h. What it will do is, it will give you the system system space, and whatever the locations, how much space it have, how much space it consumed. But it will give you the this kind of information, system space info, and then you will work with du-h or du-sh. So what this command will do is, this will give you the folders or files size, folder or file size. Okay, so it will, what if you use du-h, then it will print all the files first with their size, and then provide the final size. So think like you have the lakhs of the files into folders. Then what you will use is du-sh. It will just give you the size of the folder. If you want to take just the size of the folder, if you want to take just size of the folder, then you will use this. Now you can use zip or unzip. So think like you have a folder which have 10 lakhs of files. Now you want to copy that and paste into the different VM or different location. Copy to, okay, different location or VM. Then you have to SFTP all the files. So think like if these files are only in KBs, then it will take days to copy there. So what you will do is, you will zip that folder. You will zip that folder and zip that folder and then copy and paste. Then copy and paste. Then you will do unzip. Then you will do unzip here. So now this zip will consume a lot of space. If you want to compress that as well, think like if you have a folder which have lakhs of the images and lakhs of the videos with little videos, then think like it consume 3 TB of your space. Okay, 3 TB of your space. Then uh, you the zip file will consume also a 3 TB or little bit less than that. If you want to compress that as well, then you can use the safest option is .tar file. .tar file you can create of that folder and then copy paste, and then unzip that or untar that file. So this will hardly take around 1.8 TB, this file, or around that. So this is like 1.2 TB of space you will compress that file. So these are the some commands that we discuss in this video, and in the next video I will give you the example of all these commands and through the laptop, and you can think of like that into the good manner, and you can uh, feel that, use that into your future as well. So this is it, and we will meet in another video. Thank you.